guess the last thing to look at is those panels refitted. If nothing else, it's better than it was. I mean, I could have made them beige or brown, but quite like the idea of putting a bit of colour into this car, and there'll be more coming as soon as I start making the seat covers as well for the front seats. So what we have here is some of the same fabric that went into the back, into the seat pillars. It's quite thick and heavy, sort of like denim. A couple of tools and one more prayer. Let's go see if we can get this to cover the rear parcel shelf, which has got curves and undulations, but you never know. Unless you try, you won't know whether it's going to work or not. So head outside again. And everyone speeds. Everyone's in a hurry to get home. I always wish that they'd crash their bloody cars. Something stupid, and this woman now has to park on the sidewalk as well. But anyway, it's not my problem. So in the back of this, the parcel shelf currently has this sun-bleached fabric. And you can see on the sides, I replaced that. You can't really see it with the reflections. Replaced it with the blue. So I'm going to try and see if I can get some blue fabric tucked in over the whole of this thing as well. Fingers crossed. At least it'll blend in with the back, with those sides that I've fitted already. Should look alright, I'm hoping. It's tidy enough. Definitely an improvement on what's there at the minute. Right, day 2. Well, it's not really day 2. It's just yesterday I couldn't be bothered carrying on. I just tried tucking it and seeing what it looked like. So today I'll start with actually cutting and shaping this sheet of fabric, denim-ish fabric, to cover the back of the parcel shelf, and that'll blend in with the seat pillars as well. So I'll put it onto time lapse. I don't know how long this is going to take. Maybe a few minutes longer than I anticipate, but we'll just do it on time lapse and see what we see. That's in. It still needs a little bit of settling. I'm thinking of maybe using steam iron just across those creases to settle them down. The roof lining obviously I still need to work on, but that's Not a today problem, but at least this lot a little bit better together, I think. Right, next job. Remember the mirror fell off. So a very, very kind guy down at National Windscreens actually glued this together with one of their super Loctite products. Gave me a razor blade so I can clean up around this thing. Not sure how clean I'm going to get it today. It seems alright. Just got to cut away, hack away. It should be alright. Basically clean away the excess glue. Let's see, it's sort of it's actually not completely gone hard yet, which is a little bit concerning, but let's see. Get all the excess off and smear it on something else, not the seat. I'm hoping that he put enough activator on it. Smells nice. I'm not sure if this will slide on now, but we're going to give it a go. And then I'll leave it alone, of course. Easy as that. Just need to obviously set it for my own eyeballs for when I'm driving. Get this out the way. Blade. I'll pack it away the way he did. Less than safely. That's alright. Okay, that's part one done. Part two will be just making sure that I can see out the back. See if I can get it set in a way that I can see out the back when I'm driving. Like that, straight on. And obviously the dip. Some idiot doesn't know how to turn their lights down a bit. Yeah, that's good. Happy. Thank you, guys. Maybe I should move my dimpled angles. Actually, I'll leave them there because they're not in my line of vision. Looks a bit weird having the teddy here, but took the Christmas decoration away for Christmas. There you go. Thanks, Terry, for making me a multicolored bear to go with the multicolored car. It says Oldsmobile at the bottom, and Grizz up top. It's very sweet of her to have done that. Multicolored buttons, bright scarf, I like that. Blue bum. Yeah, happy with all of this. What next? We've had coffee already, so we don't need another coffee. And I'm going down to town this afternoon to get another 2 tyres fitted. We had to order in a 50 profile. They didn't have 50 profile in stock yesterday, so going down to get some more tyres fitted this afternoon. Yeah, good. Find something else to do.